welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making a creamy, cheesy Olive Garden chicken pasta. Let's get cooking. To start, in a mixing bowl, combine 8 ounces of Olive Garden Italian dressing and 8 ounces of chicken broth. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of melted butter, then 4 ounces of heavy cream. After that, add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, followed by a dash of pepper and a sprinkle of parsley. Then, stir everything together until it's nice and creamy. Next, give the inside of your crock pot a light coat of nonstick spray. Then, place the chicken breasts on the bottom of the crock pot. Now, pour the sauce right over the chicken. Then, add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese right on top. Now, cover and cook on high for about 4 hours until the chicken is tender. Then, use 2 forks to shred the chicken right in the crock pot. Once the chicken is shredded, stir in 16 ounces of cooked penne pasta. Then mix in 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, a creamy, cheesy Olive Garden chicken pasta, perfect for busy nights. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy, delicious meals. See you next time.